Hey everybody, this is going to be about a 2-minute video. I just want to give you an update because it's been about a week since I posted something. So I want to share with you where I am. So you'll see that I've put all of these shielded wires here, and I've got everything run correctly to the 6 SC7 tubes, and everything is neatly bundled underneath. And at the moment I don't have these things grounded to the chassis. Doug or Moslak suggested I ground them to the chassis to avoid the hum, which I'll do later. But I wanted to just share with you one really quick issue that I had. So I actually had two problems. The first time I powered it up, I blew the fuse right here, and that was a little interesting. And the reason why I blew the fuse was simple. I had a ground loop, and I'll tell you why. So I decided I was going to gator wire in this output transformer, and the way this thing works is the red wire goes to the hot side, and then the brown and the blue go to the 6v6 tubes. And then the way it's supposed to work is the green and the black wires go to the speaker output. Well, what I did was, because I didn't have it mounted to the chassis, I put a ground wire here to the chassis, and without thinking I put a ground wire on this black wire to the chassis. So that created a nice little ground loop, but I figured that one out pretty quickly, so I took that out. But the second problem that I had was even worse. So what would happen is I would turn it on, and I would watch the rectifier tube, the 5Y3 tube, red plate, and I saw purple and I saw all kinds of cool stuff. So I turned it off, obviously, looked at everything, put another tube in, red plate, right? So I'm about to put in a third one and said, nah, there's something wrong, don't waste another tube, they're expensive. And lo and behold, I took a look under the chassis and I saw this wire right here, this shielded wire, wedged in right here. So what happened was one of these shielded wires, which obviously is encased in metal, had somehow worked its way in between the rectifier tube pins and was shorting it out. So at any event, I fixed that. I've got a new rectifier tube in there. And where I am currently is I'm able to plug something into the microphone input right here, and I'm able to play. So I'm able to play the bass through it, the volume control works. What's not working are the instrument inputs. So I have to work on that and figure out and just do a little bit of tracing, make sure I have all the wires correctly in there. But we're making some really good progress now. So, okay, so that's the lesson for today. So this weekend I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to test all of these wires, make sure they're in the right places before I go any further, and then I'll test out these inputs and make sure that they're right. So we're getting really close here. So that's the update. I'll see you guys later. Bye.